Question. Describe what are the canons of financial propriety. Answer. The canons of financial propriety are as under. 1. The expenditure should not prima facie be more than the occasion demands, and that every government servant should exercise the same vigilance in respect of expenditure incurred from public monies as a person of ordinary prudence would exercise in respect of the expenditure of his own money. 2. No authority should exercise its powers of sanctioning expenditure to pass an order which will be directly or indirectly to its own advantage. 3. Public money should not be utilized for the benefit of a particular person or section of the community, unless a. The amount or expenditure involved is insignificant, or b. A claim for the amount could be enforced in a court of law, or c. The expenditure is in pursuance of a recognized policy or custom. 4. The amount of allowances, such as traveling allowances, granted to meet expenditure of a particular type, should be so regulated that the allowances are not on the whole sources of profit to the recipients. Note: all proposals involving financial implications except those which have been specifically exempted for this purpose should be referred to Finance Branch for advice before these are sanctioned.